Okay, this is my tablet, and I'm gonna show you the inside of this thing. Okay, what I was saying is just to melt like a screwdriver here and here and put it inside and just squeeze it. But if you have this problem like on this tablet, that's why we're asking, does it move up and down? You see this thing, it just like falls down. See, now it's straight. I take it out, falls down. That means it's broken. You said your thing moves up and down. If it moves like this so easily, then it's broken. It's just the wires that coming out, that's what's holding it, the plastic piece in place for now. Let me know if you have this thing. And you probably, like you said, you just bend from the top, right? You bend these things down, and because of that it moves sideways now, right? But what you need to do is just squeeze them together and make one go down and one a little higher so they overlap. When you squeeze them, they will overlap one on top of the other, like this. You get it. Alright, let me know if that's what you have. If your thing moves up and down that quick, that means it's broken.